Mr. Hao here from DeFi Singapore. So today I'll be talking about participating in the upcoming OXY IDO. So they actually launched the FTX exchange, which is the IEO. But this coming Tuesday, we will be able to participate in the IDO, and it's through Bonfida. Okay, so the launch date is on 16 March Tuesday, and the pool will open up at 8 p.m. and will close at 9:55. So roughly around 1 hour 55 minutes for everything to settle. So what you need first, right, is an FTX brokerage account, Binance account, which is optional, but I will be using this as I already have a Binance account. Okay, a Bonfida wallet, and you need these three things: your SOL token, your USDC, which is max 5,000 that they will give an allocation to be fair to everyone. Per wallet is max 5,000, and FIDA max 500 per wallet. The ratio of USDC to FIDA will be 10:1, meaning if you have 5,000, right, that you want to put in, right, you need 500 FIDA. All right. Okay, just let me type it down first. Okay, the price that's stated here is during the IDO would be 0.125 cents per OXY token. It's not guaranteed that you will get your maximum allocation, but depending on whether it is oversubscribed or fully subscribed or undersubscribed, you'll be given your allocation accordingly. Okay, so let's just go through everything step by step first. The first thing you need to do, right, is to go to bonfida.com/wallet, which is already here. Okay, as usual, just write down your seed phrase somewhere, keep them in a safe place, right? After you're done, save it here, press continue. You don't need a password, it is optional, but it's recommended that you have put a password, then just press create. Okay, so this is what you'll be seeing here. But as I've already created a wallet already, I will show you. Okay, as you can see down here, I already have SOL tokens, and remember just now I mentioned that you need SOL tokens because this is a layer 2 of SOL. So we will require SOL tokens to complete the transactions and whatever gas fees that's required. Alright, so in order to receive, let's assume that we have 0 SOL down here, right? Okay, in order to receive tokens, right, from the SOL tokens, you can actually buy it direct off Binance or FTX. I will go through Binance first, then we'll go through FTX. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to Binance. Okay, and as you can see, there are tokens Binance SOL, they have USDT or SOL BUSD. Okay, straightforward. You can buy at whatever market price, a limit price or market price or whatnot, press buy. So after you have bought from Binance, you go to your fiat or spot wallet. Okay, down here. Okay, and you can see you have SOL tokens. Okay, so you press down here, you press withdraw, and down here you will have your SOL that's required. Okay, you paste your receiving address down here. Make sure, right, that it's under the SOL network. Okay, so basically you just paste this down here, and you just put here about 0.51 because transaction fee is 0.01. Okay, submit after you do all your verification and whatnot. That's all. Alright, so the next step, right, is to create and add 2 of these tokens. One is USDC, which I've already done, so I'll do it for FIDA down here. What you need to do, the reason for SOL is what that is we're going to show you in the next step here. Okay, you can see that to create a token to your wallet, you need 0.002039 SOL. Let's look for FIDA. FIDA. Okay, we found it. The Bonfida token. Okay, we have to press add. Okay, and if we need USDC, which I've already added, right, you need to add this as well. Alright, so take note, you need to do it 2 times. Okay, press add, sending transaction, confirming, done. We are at FTX, we go to markets, we go to spot, and look for Solana, SOL. Alright, down here you can actually buy your Solana, okay, with limit order or market order. We are going to do market order. Alright, and take note that you cannot buy 0.5 here, you must at least buy 1. Alright, so after you buy your Solana, it's down here. Okay, the next one you want to buy is, go to markets again, FIDA. Same thing as I need, as I'm doing 1,200 USDC, I need 120 FIDA. So just take note, it's 10:1 ratio. Okay, you can same thing, do a limit order or market order and buy. You mentioned earlier on when buying your FIDA tokens and your SOL tokens to just make sure to buy a bit extra because there's always slippage. For example, if you're buying 100 FIDA tokens, make sure to just buy 101. And for Solana, if you're buying 1, which is the minimum, just buy 2 just in case. Alright, so we're moving on. We need to withdraw our USDC. Okay, we've clicked withdraw USDC, enter the amount, which is 1,002, but I don't have because I already did it, and paste your USDC address. You're good to go. Next one you need to do is your Bonfida tokens. Same thing, enter the Bonfida tokens. For us is 120. Enter the address from Bonfida and then click withdraw. The next one is your SOL tokens. Withdraw, same thing, enter 0.5, paste the address from Bonfida, and you're good to go. Alright, so now we are able to receive FIDA and USDC on our wallet. So let's go ahead. I already have some USDC in my account. So this is what we'll be doing. To lessen the fees, right? The reason why we use FTX is because they have the SPL chain, which saves on gas fees compared to the ERC20. So the deposit address is here. We copy paste into our FTX. Okay, so let me go and do that now. Alright, our balances, we go here, we withdraw. Take note, okay, USD here is actually USDC. USDC is actually USD in FTX. Okay, so let's first withdraw. We want to put about 1,002. Okay, so we withdraw USDC. Okay, we use a S receive here, USDC, copy paste down here, 1,002 USDC down here. Okay, and also we need to receive FIDA tokens, so we'll do the same here, receive, copy paste on, use SPL if you're on FTX. If not, you have to use ERC20. Please make sure that you use the correct ones, because if you use the wrong protocol, right, you will lose your money. Yeah. Alright, so down here we have we need about 120 because I'm doing about 1,002. Ratio is 10:1, right? So here we go, 120. Our FIDA address, copy paste. Need to do the verification again. Just give me a second. Done. Okay, so we need to wait a while. You can see here already we have the 1,002 USDC that's already in here. So just have to wait for the confirmation, and then we can proceed to the next step. Okay, so we have already we're already over in step 4. After step 4 is complete, we can go and participate in the IDO. And here we go. So we receive all these things. So right now we can just go here. Okay, we connect our wallet, which I will connect just a second. Need to enter my password. All right, so it's connected down here. All right, so this is the rules that we were talking about. Here are the examples, and this is where we are supposed to deposit our money during the timing of 8 p.m. All right, so I hope this tutorial helps. All the best for the upcoming launch.